What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from GuitarJams.com. Hope you're doing well out there behind the screen, out there in the interweb land. Anyway, a easy one, but a classic. I felt like I hadn't done Marley in quite a while, and I love it. Hopefully a lot of you will love it too. Pretty easy little tune, but I'm gonna work on some of that reggae rhythm kind of stuff. Now, if you're a total beginner and that seems like a very hard thing to pull off, I've got a 20-minute free basic rhythm guitar lesson for you guys. I'll leave a link for it right down there. Totally free, and it's not on YouTube, and it's for those beginner rhythm people out there. Otherwise, you can go to my site, GuitarJams.com, check out the lessons there as well. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. But let's zoom in, and I'll break this one down for you right now today for free. Here we go! Alright, the essence of the song is pretty easy. There's a little bridge section in the middle that has a bar chord in it that you will need. But if you're just like hanging around at a party and you bust into this one, it's going to be great. People, love Bob Marley, including myself, or at least most people. Not everybody likes everything, but Bob Marley is pretty universally liked. But pretty much the whole song is G, 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 C, C, C. G, 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 C, C. And the thing with in reggae music, on the guitar, you're playing the ands. As far as the word A-N-D, like if you're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm playing the offbeats of those numbers. Obviously, that's the most simplest way to play that reggae beat. You could just strum it like a folk song. Completely get away from it all, to the reggae thing altogether. Or you can get even more reggae-ish with it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a... And then I'm switching to bar chords. This is the little more advanced way to play it solo guitar. And with the bar chord, whenever I relax my bar with the left hand, I get that percussive sound. So I'm just squeezing down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and giving it a jiggy, 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 just to add rhythm, because I'm playing it by myself on acoustic guitar, and so that's the other option. Now the bar chord here is I'm pressing down, and then this looks like an E shape. Okay, so this is a G major bar chord, and then the C major bar chord looks like an A shape with my ring finger. So I'm barring that 3rd fret, and then I've got the ring finger covering the 5th, 5th, 5th of this of the D, G, and B strings right there, just like that. Now the original recording is kind of in between G and A. You could actually, to really match it up to the recording, you could, there's a few different things you could do, but really when I learned it by ear, I was playing it right here. So instead of the 3rd fret bar chords, I was playing it on the 4th fret bar chords, and that will match up to the original recording. However, you can't do that open G to C, which a beginner is going to be able to pull off much easier than a more experienced guitar player. If you're a more experienced guitar player, you could, hopefully you've just learned it on your own by listening, because it's pretty much 2 chords the whole song. Or, you know, you just come here and watch the video. But here's what it is. I'm going... So another thing I was doing was check chat 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 chat. So the bridge section is a C to a D, C, D, B minor, which is that 2nd fret bar, and then this looks like an A minor shape here, to an A minor. C, D, B minor, A minor, C, D, B minor, A minor, back to the top, tippy top. Alright, hope you had fun with that. Keep it mellow, and hope to see you in another video real soon. Take care.